Good morning, all of you. Welcome to all of you in the online classes of Baba Coding School. Now I am going to tell you about no use of A or N. Rule first is A or N is not used before a proper noun. What is proper noun? A or N is not used before a proper noun. A proper noun, the noun which denotes proper person, place or things. Like the name of any person like Rohit, Priya, name of person, name of place like Jaipur, Delhi, Kolkata, India, name of places, name of things like Ramayana, Gita, Mahabharata, name of things. So these are proper nouns. So A or N is not used before proper nouns. Like we live in Rajasthan. Rajasthan is a proper noun because it is the name of place, and we use before Rajasthan because R is a consonant. If there is a vowel, then we use N. If it gives vowel sound, then we use N. If it gives consonant sound, then we use A. But we use A here. A. This is wrong. Why? Because Rajasthan is a proper noun. A or N is not used before proper noun. Why? Rajasthan is a proper noun, so this sentence is wrong. And we live in Rajasthan. This sentence is correct because Rajasthan is a proper noun, and we don't use any article before Rajasthan. So the second sentence is correct. The rule second is A or N is not used before uncountable noun. A or N is not used before uncountable noun. What is countable and what is uncountable? Uncountable noun means the noun which we cannot be counted, like iron, gold, silver, copper, coal, rock, rain, salt, oil, milk. They all are uncountable. We cannot count them. So A or N is not used before uncountable noun. Like milk, this is wrong because milk is uncountable noun. We cannot count them, so we don't use any article before milk. Milk without article is correct. A dust, this is uncountable, so this is wrong. And dust, this is right because this is not used before and with articles. A gold, wrong. Gold, right. And oil, wrong. Oil is right without article. Why? Because they all are uncountable, and we don't use any article before an uncountable noun. Now let's begin. Rule number third: A or N is not used before plural nouns. A or N is not used before plural nouns. Plural noun means more than one person of things. Like a children. Children is a plural noun. So we don't use any article before children. If we use article before children, it means this is wrong. Children without article, this is correct. And oxen. Oxen is the plural of ox. So this is wrong. Oxen without article, this is correct. As sheep. Sheep is a plural noun. So this is wrong. Sheep is it is used without article, so this is correct. A deer, this is wrong. Deer is correct. Like a voice. Voice is a plural noun, and we use article before voice, so this is wrong. In second, voice without article, so this is correct. We don't use any article before plural nouns. Voice is a plural noun. We don't use any article before plural noun. Foxes, this is wrong, and foxes is correct. Rule number 4: A or N is not used before name of food items. Food items means the name of meals. The name of meals like dinner, lunch, supper, brunch, tea, breakfast. They all are parts of food items. Like have a breakfast. This is wrong because we don't use any article before name of meal. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper, tea, brunch, supper. They all are name of meals. So we don't use any article before name of meal. Here we use A before breakfast, A before lunch, A before dinner, and A before supper. So they all are incorrect. We use have breakfast, have lunch, have dinner, have supper. They all are correct because we don't use any article before breakfast, lunch, dinner, and supper respectively. Note: if an adjective is used before the name of food items. If an adjective, what is adjective? An adjective is the word used to qualify a noun or pronoun. If an adjective is used before the name of food items, A or N is used before it. It means before the name of food items, before the name of meal, like dinner, a good dinner. So we use article before dinner. Why? Because an adjective is used. If an adjective is used before the name of food item, we use a or an according to its sound. Like a good dinner. In second, a nice lunch. Lunch is also a name of food item, the name of meal. We use nice before lunch. Nice is an adjective, so we use article a before lunch. Second, a delicious breakfast. Breakfast is a name of meal, and we use delicious. Delicious is an adjective. We use a before delicious. A delicious breakfast. So this is correct because we use article. Why? Because an adjective is used before an name of food item, name of meal. Same as a great supper. Rule 5. A or an is not used before only adjectives. A or an is not used before only adjectives. If an adjective is used only in a sentence without noun, so we don't use any article before adjective. Like he is an honest. He is an honest. We use article an before honest. Why? Because H is a consonant, but it gives vowel sound. So here we use an. But this is wrong. Why? Because there is no noun. In this sentence, noun is absent. So a or an is not used before only adjectives. Before only adjectives. And this is only adjective. So we don't use any article before adjective. So this sentence is wrong. In second sentence, he is honest. This sentence is correct. We don't use any article before adjectives. The first sentence is wrong because noun is absent, and the second sentence is correct because there is no noun and we don't use any article before honest. Rule number 6. A or an is not used before the nouns used. Used means coming. Coming after post of, rank of, title of, position of, job of. A or an is not used before the nouns coming after post of, rank of, title of, position of, job of. Like the post of a principal. The post of a principal. If a noun coming after post of, rank of, title of, position of, or job of, we don't use any article. Like the post of a principal, this sentence is correct. The correct is the post of principal. The rank of a DSP. Rank of DSP. We don't use any article before DSP. So this is wrong. The rank of DSP. The title of a Netaji. This sentence is wrong because we use article before the name of, before the noun coming after title of. Same as the title of Netaji. The position of a peon. This sentence is wrong. The position of peon. The job of a clerk. This sentence is wrong. The job of clerk. They all are correct. Why? Because in these sentences we don't use any article before the nouns, just coming after rank, post of, rank of, title of, position of, or job of. We don't use any article. So these are correct. And these are wrong. Why? Because we use article before the nouns coming after rank of, title of, position of, job of. Next, rule number 7. A or an is not used before the nouns coming after possessive adjectives. Which are possessive adjectives? Like my, possessive adjectives are my, are, your, his, her, its, their. They all are possessive adjectives. If any noun used after possessive adjective, we don't use any article. Like my shirt. My is a possessive adjective and shirt is a noun. If a noun coming after, used after possessive adjective, we don't use any article. So this is wrong. My shirt is correct. Our country. Our is a possessive adjective and country is a noun. We don't use any article before country. If we use the article before the noun used after possessive adjective, it means this is wrong. Our country is correct. Your a pen. Your is a possessive adjective. Pen is a noun. It is used after a possessive adjective. So we don't use any article before noun. If we use article in this place, we use article before pen. So this sentence is this phrase is wrong. Your are closed. Your pen. Your a pen. This is wrong and your pen is correct. There a book. There is a possessive adjective and book is a noun. So we don't use any article before book. So this is wrong. Their book is correct. You have to write down. Now we are going on next topic. Rule number 8. A is not used before the nouns used after distributive adjective. What means distributive adjective? Distributive adjectives are each, every, either, and neither. These are distributive adjectives. If any nouns used after distributive adjective, we don't use any article before the noun. Like every, a girl. In this, we use article A before the girl. Girl is used after distributive adjective every. So this is wrong. Every girl, this is right. Each a pen, this is wrong. Each pen is right. Either a room, this is wrong. Either room is correct. Neither a boy is wrong and neither boy is correct. In this, we use article before girl, pen, room, and boy respectively. These nouns are used after distributive adjective every, each, either, and neither. If any article, if any nouns used after distributive adjective, we don't use any article. So these are wrong and these are correct. Now rule number 9. A or M is not used before the nouns used after kind of, sort of, type of, and variety of. If any noun used after kind of, type of, sort of, and variety of, we don't use any article before these. Like kind of a dress, this is wrong. Type of a book, this is wrong. Short of a radio, this is also wrong, and variety of a sheep, this is also wrong, because these nouns are used after kind of, type of, short of, and variety of. If any noun is used after these words, we don't use any article before the noun. So these are wrong and these are correct, because we don't use any article before dress, book, radio, and sheep, because these are used after kind of, type of, short of, and variety of. If any noun used after kind of, type of, short of, and variety of, we don't use any article. Now next, rule number 10. Your and is not used in the phrases given below. In the phrases given below, like all a winter, all a week, all a morning, all a day, all a night, all a afternoon, all a year, all a summer, all an evening, go to a zoo, go to a station, go to an airport, at a dawn, at a dusk, at a daybreak, and at a sunrise. All a winter, all a week, all a morning, all a day, all a night, all a afternoon, all a year, all a summer, all an evening, go to a zoo, go to the zoo, go to a station, go to the station, go to an airport, go to the airport, at dawn, at dusk, at a daybreak, at a sunrise, same as at a sunset, at sunset. So we don't use any article in these phrases. So these are wrong and these are correct. You have to write down. Stay home, stay safe,